Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE X95. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non, swipe, pattern, pin and password. We're going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. And let's start with non. Non is actually no security screen lock. Then let's select second non-security screen lock, which is swipe. Next, let's select pin. Enter at least 4 digits. And let's use it to unlock the phone. Then let's select password. And also enter at least 4 characters. In the end, let's select pattern. To create pattern, you have to connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, we can go to biometrics, and the only biometric available is face unlock. Simply enter it, tap continue, and enroll face. Now simply scan it in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. Unfortunately, I can't unlock it right now because of the lighting in this room. But basically you put your face in front of the front camera and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.